Unlocking iPhone on iTunes is easy and helps you quickly escape the situation. Besides, there are different ways how to unlock iPhone on iTunes. Watch on to find out more below. Open iTunes and update it if needed. Connect locked iPhone to computer. Click iPhone icon. Select Restore iPhone on the right. Part 2. How to unlock iPhone on iTunes in recovery mode. Force restart iPhone into recovery mode varies by model. Connect iPhone to computer and open iTunes. Choose Restore in iTunes to unlock the passcode. Part 3. How to unlock iPhone without iTunes. Way 1. Unlock iPhone without iTunes in iOS 15.2 and later. Enter passcode until Erase Device option. Tap Erase Device and confirm. Sign out of Apple ID. Go to Erase Device in Settings. Restore data if backed up in iTunes. Restart. Follow setup. Way 2. Unlock iPhone without iTunes or passcode by iOS Unlock. Whenever you forget your iPhone's password, it's essential to use a professional unlocking tool. iOS Unlocker is well proven as a reliable tool that has a highly built functionality.